Hello, I'm Clare and I'm back here at Justhands-on.tv and I'm going to talk about my apron today, and I'm sure lots of you are familiar with my apron. I'm very rarely seen in public without it on. It's part of my work uniform now, and I originally made it because I was working from home and had two small children, and it was very easy to get distracted by all the chores, and I thought the best thing to do was put a work uniform on, and then I knew and everyone around me knew that I was working, and over time I've been embellishing it and adding special things to it, and people give me things. I've got the children's drawings, I've got embroidery, I've got brooches, and it gives you a home for all your special pieces. I'm going to give you a little twirl. There you go. So it crosses over at the back, nice deep armholes. It's very, very comfortable to wear. You can put it on over everything and you immediately feel ready to be creative and ready to be inspired. It's a beautiful creative uniform for you all. I've updated the pattern. So now the adult size pattern covers all the dress sizes up to a UK 32. So it should fit almost everybody. It's fully lined, completely reversible if you don't stitch through it. Nice big pockets which are sewn into the side seams, so they're very strong and you can put lots of things in there. So I look forward to seeing you all wearing your artisan aprons when you're on your workshops. And also I've made a little girl's apron size. So this is exactly the same shape and construction as mine, but it goes from 6 months to 10 years old, so you can make one for the little your little grandchildren who are ready to be baking and doing their crafting as well. And it's just a really pretty little apron that you can make, and I've been gradually embellishing the child size version as well, so you can really have fun with it and really make time for your creativity. So that's the artisan apron pattern.